Hi, welcome to our lesson for today, and in today's topic we're going to look at PowerPoint. So you looked at a number of things, looked at hardware, then you looked at software. Now under software you are looking at different types of softwares, and now we're looking at, I'm going to take you through Microsoft Office, then we looked at Word, then now I'll basically today I'll just concentrate on PowerPoint. Okay, so it is simple. When your computer is on, as usual, you are on the, provided that you are on the, your computer is on, you are on the desktop, okay, your desktop. So here is your desktop. Alright, so when you are on your desktop, what you have to do there then is you go to a search bar and search for just PowerPoint. Alright, so PowerPoint, my PowerPoint is already installed, so open it. Okay, so it is opening now. PowerPoint is a very, very powerful tool that you use to do presentations. Okay, so you may be a secretary to a certain company, to a named company, and your boss or maybe you yourself want to do a presentation about what you've done. You use PowerPoint. So I've opened PowerPoint, and here what you are seeing, these are templates. Okay, these are templates, designs that have already been made, where you can just change one or two things, then you present. There is also a blank presentation, so meaning you have to make your own. Okay, so when you learn about how to work around the blank presentation, you can be able to work around all these other templates. So we'll use a blank one. So you will click on the blank one. Okay, so we'll click on the blank one. So after clicking there, we have the first page. Okay, as you can see, this is the first page. So in our first page, let's first of all identify the tools that we have. Let's first of all identify the tools that we have. So the first column or the first row, okay, this is the first row, moving like this, it is the first row, moving like this, it is the first row. Then we have columns, okay, the columns that are coming down. So column, on the first column we've got file, the second one home, then the third insert, fourth design, fifth transition, then animation, slides, review and view. So first of all, let's go into what we have when we files. Under files, when we click under files, there's info, new, open, save, save as, print, share, export, close, account and options. Okay, so all of these have a very specific function. Nevertheless, what you just need to know for now, you may be able to explore what they are, but what you need to explore right now is the save as. The save as, save as, basically that's what you use to save your work. Okay, you will see it in our as we'll be saving the work. Then save also is part of saving, but it's different from save as. Open, you open an existing project, then new, you open a new one. Okay, so when you open a new one, for instance, let's say open new one, so it will bring you back to where you were. Okay, so it will bring you back to the first page. Okay, then info, of course we've got information, general information. Okay, so that is about home, the file. Then when you come to home, of course home is where everything is. So we've got different icons here that we'll be able to use. Then there's insert. Under insert also we've got different things that are here. We've got the new slides, table, picture, online picture, screenshot, photo album, shape, smart, chart, store, app, different text box, header, words, that different things here. All right, so we'll explore them. Then we've got design. Under design we have also the same designs, you can be able to use them. Then we have the transition, then we've got the animation, we've got the slideshow, review, and we've got the view aspect. Okay, so these are the things that we have, and of course on top of it, it depends on the type of computer you are using, but with mine you can see that up there is this is a touchpad, a mouse. Okay, it's a mouse. It is actually showing you what you want. If you want a finger, it will actually bring that. Okay, it will bring that. Then there is a show, then there's save there, then there's a file. Okay, so with that being said, let us go into our chart. Okay, so you want to make a new presentation. So of course you have a layout. So first of all, what you have is the one, of course you have a cover page, right? You've got a cover page. So in this cover page, so we have this is the title. So let's just name it as Chaslife. Okay, Chaslife Foundation. Okay, Chaslife Foundation presentation. All right, presentation. Okay, presentation. All right. So of course when you want to reduce, you highlight everything, then you can make them bold if you want to click on bold there. Okay, highlight. After highlighting, then you can reduce them, you can increase, whichever way that you want. Okay, so Chaslife Foundation presentation. Okay, then you put your name. Okay, Mr. Moses Chili of some sort. Okay, provided that is your name. Don't use somebody's name. Okay, provided that is your name. Okay, so because you are the presenter, you put other details. If you have the skills or the trainee's number, whatever, the department, and all those, possibly even the name of your tutor and things like that. Okay, so this is the first page. Now, as you can see, this is just a first page. Now, this first page, how do you add the second page? Okay, you just go here and choose which one. All right, you go on new and choose which one you want to work with. Okay, you choose which one you want to work with. So if you want to add a picture, okay, so I'll add this one that has the pictures. Okay, as you can see, so Chaslife presentation. So say Chaslife's on that. So saying skills training. Okay, so skills training. So now I want to add a photo, right? I want to add a photo. So just go here on the picture, since it's already showing there. Go on the picture. Okay, go on the picture, just click on it. After clicking on the picture, it will take me to the pictures. So let me go to the skills department. Yeah, so these are the pictures. All right, so you add the picture, the picture of your choice. Then once you add, it comes. Okay, I'm sure you are able to see what is happening. So the picture has been has come. All right, so let's add another one. So here, you can as well add some narrations. All right, you can add some narrations. All right, so you add, you can add different things. Okay, of course, now here you're not limited to what space you're provided. You can actually add your own words. How do you add your own words? So here we've got different ways in which you can add words, but as you begin to explore, you'll discover many ways. But for the sake of learning, I'll just go to art. All right, so I want to just add some good words. So here, this is my text. Okay, so I'll just say tailoring. All right, tailoring and design. Okay, so tailoring and what and design. All right, so this is the picture. So I've added my words. Have you seen? I'm sure you can see the texture and the quality of these words are different from these ones, right? You can see that this and these words are actually very different. All right, so let's add another picture. What picture can we use now? Okay, so since all these, what we have is something. Okay, so let's add maybe this one. Okay, so this one still you can also be able to change it. Okay, you can be able to, you know, increase it, reduce it. You can also be able to turn it. Okay, you can be able to tilt it, whichever way that you want to play around with it. Okay, you can choose to play around with it. So for instance, you just want some narration, you don't want a picture, you want one side to have a picture. So let's provide it, we delete this. Okay, we delete this. Then if you want, you can still delete this. So just hold here, then delete. Okay, after deleting, you can still be able to add shape. So let's go to shape. So you go on design, you go on insert. So here you add a shape, right? Okay, so for instance, you just want to have your own standard, you add the shape here. Okay, and in this shape you want to put what words. First of all, you want this. What do you want the shape? Do you want the shape to have color? Okay, but for me, I don't want the shape to have color. And if I don't want the shape to have color, just come here, you know, on the fill, then filling, it is blank now. Okay, so if I want to remove this, these lines, the shape, I can still be able to remove. I just come here, then and remove. They are gone, but me, I don't want to remove. Okay, so now I want to put some text inside. So once I want to put some text, just come here, fill. All right, then we can actually have put, so you can put words. Okay, you can write about it. Okay, you know, Chaslife, skills, whatever. So you put, this is your presentation. Okay, okay, foundation, something like that. You put details. All right, so of course, whatever you write here, whatever you write is flowing. But you know, for a presentation has to be brief and on point. So for me to do that, I'll just add, you know, bullets so that it looks coherent, it looks nice. Okay, so I had a bullet. So provided this is my point number 1, point number 2, that these all these points are about the picture that I'm sharing. All right, so I can make more. All right, I can make more of these. So let's go to another one. So let's make let's go to another one. We choose another one. For instance, let's choose this. All right, so this is actually telling you here that it is actually giving you a sample to say here you're supposed to add what you're supposed to add. So there I'm adding I'm adding the words, I'm adding the photo. Okay, I'm adding the photo there. So I've added the photo. So here I'm adding, so I would say Chaslife. Okay, logo. All right, so logo. Here now I can talk about it. Okay, you know, I can talk about whatever I want to write. Okay, this logo, something like that, was founded whatever. Okay, founded whatever. You write and so on and so forth. But remember, they should be in bullets. Okay, so you can make as many slides as you can just from the click of a button. There you choose, then you make. In case you don't want to, you know, if this process sounds to be, this procedure of going there, clicking is a bit bulky, you can still do just enter, another one comes. So you just let's do that again. So you just click on the, have you seen, if you can see on my side, just clicked on that, then I've clicked enter. After doing enter, the same design that you had, you know, will still come also under there. All right, okay, so this is it. Now let's look at other things. How do I put some, you know, animation? You know, this thing you can actually use it to play around with the various animations, meaning your words can perform in a certain way. So let's go to Okay, of course, design, it is about when you do design. Have you seen those words actually are coming on the design that you have? But of course, since it's not the word, so I'll just go back. Okay, so I'll just go back. Okay, so that is, if you want to go back, there is this sign, and if you want to take it back, it will go back. Then if you want to go back, it will just take you back to if you make a mistake. Okay, so let's go to transition. Now, transition is about how the pages will be opening. How are the pages going to be opening? So as you can see here, there is a cut, fade, push, swipe, random bar. So let's choose flash. All right. As you seen, it has come as a flash. So it means that when you want to open another page, it will be coming as a flash. As you can see here, also this is what has happened. So that's what we've chosen. Have you seen what it means? So it means that when you are about to when you click next, it will be showing that. So let's try to see curtains. All right, have you seen? Okay, so these are curtains. All right, so let's go to wind. Okay, wind, this is what is happening. Okay, prestige. Okay, this is what is happening. So it means that whenever you want to open, so you can choose many. It's actually even for the fracture, as you can see. All right, so let's also put it here. So let's actually put different ones. All right, let's put different ones. This one, let it have curtains. All right, so as you can see, so these are the curtains opening the next page. Okay, so let this page come with the wind. All right, as you can see. So let's begin from the first. So as you can see here, there are play animation. When you see on the just on the corner here, there are animations that have been added. Okay, so when you click on it, then you click next. When you start presenting, it will actually be opening in that way. All right, we'll see at the end of this video. All right, so that's how you play that. It means that it will be opening in that way. So let's go to that was about transition. So let's go to animation now. All right, now animation is about how the words will be coming, so let's look at these words. Okay, once I click on there, if you observed, the row up is actually more like it's not active. When I click on the words, it's active. It is telling me to say this is where you can do the animation from, so you can animate the words. So let's animate the words. So let's say this, right? So let's go maybe shape. All right, as you seen. So when I do this, it means my words will be coming like this. So I can change here what I want. All right, I can change what I want. Okay, as you can see, it is actually dropping. Okay, so let's actually put the words, the name to be something else. Okay, so let's put the name to be, maybe let's do this. No, okay. Okay, as you can see, it is actually coming. All right, so let's go also to these words. Let's actually just do one or two things. Floating, have you seen how it is, what is happening? All right, so bounce, it is actually bouncing. Okay, so these words, even these words can be, so meaning that they are numbered. As you can see on top of it, it means that this will come first, then this one will come second. They are numbered. So this one, after that is done, these words, this one will come third. Okay, then this one will come fourth. All right, this one, okay, a highlight, then will come fifth. Okay, as have you seen? Okay, so it means that all these have been numbered. As you can see, they are numbered, they are given numbers. All right, so that's how you play around with that function. Okay, so let's go to slide. So slide, basically it is actually telling you, you are now you are preparing for your presentation. So basically what is happening is that here it is actually, since you are preparing it, you are trying to put a monitor on how long the videos, I mean the presentation will take when you start it, how you are planning your work. Okay, so basically this is the point when you are almost done. Okay, so let's go to from beginning, right? As you can see, this is your sample, right? So it is opened. So when you click next, okay, that has come. All right, Now let me just give you a maybe for instance a startup. All right, so you start your presentation. So today I'm going to present about Chaslife Foundation. I'm clicking a button now. All right, my name is so Moses Piri. All right, then you go. All right, now what is it about Chaslife Foundation? All right, so skills training. Chaslife looks at skills training. Then you go, okay, tailoring. As you can see, that photo shows tailoring class. Chaslife Foundation, that is your first point. Your second point, okay. I'm clicking a button. Once I click a button, these things are coming, all right. Then after that, you go to next, all right. So basically, what you are looking at is you are looking at, that is the end of the slide. So you are looking at practicing, all right. So you can actually be able to explore these and see how they are working. All right, so all these, then you can actually put a comment, and other things. All right, so once you are done, how do you save? All right, so you're saving, you go here on save, then you go on save as. Save as will show you where you want to put, all right, where you want to save the document to. So I just want to save it in documents. Okay, so documents, just save, or maybe if it is desktop, then you save, then you actually find it. All right, so it means that you are ready for presentation. When it's time to present, you just you open it. When you open it like this, then you come down here. All right, down here there are different tools also. So you just come here, slideshow. All right, so when you come on slideshow, it will start. All right, it will start. So you can take it back. Okay, you can take it back. Okay, you can take it back just by clicking a button of that arrow button, forward and backwards, and you're able to you're able to play around with these things, and they will make you a profession. But practice makes what? Perfect. All right, practice makes perfect. So that was all about PowerPoint. I will see you in the next video when we'll be talking about something else. But for now, I want you to practice the assignment that you've been given, and the presentation is way ahead of you. So the question should be in the group. Or maybe your tutor, or maybe you can access the question then for practice for presentation in the coming presentations that we've arranged. Okay, thank you so much. See you.